In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to fix Instagram feedback required error. So when you try to open up your Instagram, it gives you a little message which says feedback required. Now there are a few things that you can do to solve this issue. The first thing that you need to check if Instagram is down or not. If the servers of Instagram is having any issues, then you'll likely get that message. And not only you, many people will be facing the same problem. So to check that, open up a web browser and search for down detector, or you can also directly search for downdetector.com. This site helps you to check if any company or any application is down at the moment. On the top, you'll see a search bar. Simply search for Instagram and hit search. Now it's going to give you a detailed report of what happened. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the number of reports that Instagram has. And now if Instagram is really down, you can see the spike in the reports in the Instagram. Now if it is not down, you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and check if there is any new update. Make sure you tap on update if there is. Updating apps helps to fix these kind of bugs which may be causing the problem. Now the second thing that you can do, even if you update the app of Instagram, you can tap on uninstall and first uninstall the app of Instagram and then again try to download it after you have uninstalled. Now once you do that, you'll need to again type in your email address and your password to log into your Instagram. And after you do these couple of steps, you should be able to log in and work your Instagram account without having any issues. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.